I'm Kedar Patel. This is my father Gautam Patel, mother Nandita Patel. This is Reena Patel, my wife, and my daughter Karina Patel. We are a direct family of Sardar Patel. My father is the grandson. I am the great grandson, and Karina is the great granddaughter of Sardar Patel. We live in California. We were visiting here on PM Modi ji's invitation to attend the Ekta Divas festivities in 2025 on Sardar Patel's 150th birth anniversary. It has been a tremendous honor to be part of this celebration and just witness the statue, Ekta Nagar, and all the activities around here. And then the Ekta Day itself was really special to see the play that they just inaugurated on Sardar Patel, and then witness the parade on Ekta Divas here. We also got a chance to meet with PM Modi ji, where he was very gracious. He was just talking about how he's brought to life the memory of Sardar Patel, which we're all really proud of, and it was really nice to see. He really felt that sort of gratitude towards the actions of Sardar Patel, and we feel it towards him for preserving his memory, bringing it to life, and then carrying on Sardar Patel's vision of unity and building a prosperous India with that, through that unity. So it's been a very moving experience for me to experience it with my dad and family, and bring my daughter to learn about just Sardar Patel, the freedom movement, just what he stood for, his vision, and how Modi ji is bringing that forward as well now. It's been really nice to see. On sort of a separate note, just seeing Ekta Nagar and the development here. We came 15 years ago, it was just Sardar Sarovar Dam and a 30-feet statue of Sardar, which is great to see also. And to see this now is just beyond my imagination, and just to learn about all the other activities that go on here. We got to experience some of that today in a short 4-hour trip, just to see the zoo and the dino tour and a couple of other exhibits. It's been nice to see that sort of educational meets entertainment to teach people, and in a sort of fun way, about just all the natural beauty, the freedom movement, of course, and the history, but also just the people of this area, and then how this river and the dam supports a lot of the water and the electricity needs of neighboring states and Gujarat. It's been really nice. I learned a lot myself, had a lot of fun here. Very grateful to PM Modi ji and the staff, the dedicated staff that have built this place and keep it going, and really excited to bring people here and teach us about this place. So very happy to have come and experienced it with my whole family. Thank you everyone here.
Thank you.